The challenge with sheet pan meals is that different ingredients have different cook times, so we have to stagger them so everything gets finished at the same time. The trick is to start with your longer cooking ingredients. Here we have sausages and potatoes. The potatoes have already been tossed in oil. Then they go into the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes. When you take them out, you want to move everything over so you've got some space, turn it all over so it'll cook evenly, and then add your quicker cooking ingredients. Here we have some peppers and onions. These have all been tossed in oil as well. You want to spread them out nicely and then season them generously. Here I'm using salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. Once everything's all ready to go, then you want to put it back into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. These should be done. Do use your timer, but go by how it looks and how it feels. Everything should be browned, your potatoes should be tender, your sausages should be at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. There, isn't that beautiful and appetizing and delicious?